How to register and verify your email address in OspreyFX. I am going to show you how you can easily register and verify your email address in OspreyFX. First, open Google Chrome on your computer or mobile device. In the search bar, type OspreyFX and press enter. Click on the first link that appears in the search results. This will take you to the OspreyFX official website. Once you are on the website, find and click on the sign up button. You will be directed to a registration page where you need to enter your basic information. First, enter your first name, middle name, and last name. Next, provide a valid email address and create a secure password. Make sure to read the terms and conditions, then check the box to agree them. Finally, click on the sign up button. An email will be sent to the address you provided. Open your email inbox and find the verification from OspreyFX. Click on the verification link in the email to verify your account. Once your email is verified, you will be prompted to enter more details about yourself. First, enter your phone number. Then, provide your birth date. After that, select your gender and preferred currency for trading. Next, enter your address details, including your city and zip code. You will also see options for marketing preferences, newsletter subscriptions, offers, promotions, and notifications. Check these options according to your preference. Click on the Continue button to proceed. Now your live trading account on OspreyFX has been successfully created. Now you're ready to start trading on OspreyFX.